So if you've ever felt limited by the Windows clipboard and the fact that you can only copy and paste one thing at a time, then you'll be happy to hear that Office 365 has its own clipboard, which can hold up to 24 items. That can really make life a lot easier for you when you're wanting to create reports based on multiple documents. So you can see I've got here, Word is open, Excel open, and I've got PowerPoint open as well. And I'm going to copy a few of these things into one of my documents. I'm going to first of all open up the Office clipboard. You can find it on the Home tab, on the Clipboard section, and in the bottom right there's a little downward right pointing arrow. If I click on that, it opens up my Clipboard section. And as you can see at the moment, it's empty. I've got nothing on there. And I'm going to select a few items from my report. So I'm going to go over to my PowerPoint and I'm going to copy this image here that I've got selected. Go to my Home tab and copy from the copy section, and you can see it's gone onto my clipboard up here with the little PowerPoint icon, and there's my image that I've copied. On Excel, I'm going to copy this table, and so I've got that selected there. I'm going to open and click copy from the Home tab, and you can see now it's got the cells that have been copied into the clipboard for Office. And then finally in Word, I'm going to select this title and I am going to copy it onto my clipboard. Now you can see the three items that I've got and where they've come from: PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. And now with my document, I'm quite simply just going to go into my document, and I've decided I want to paste the first thing that I copied, which is my image, into this page here. So I just click on the item on my clipboard and it gets pasted into the page. And if I scroll down to my second page, I've got another space here, and I want my Excel table, which I copied in second place, over here, and there's my Excel table. And then I want to go over to my PowerPoint presentation and I want to insert my Word title. So I'm going to open up the clipboard in PowerPoint. I can see it here. I'm just going to put sales reports over here. And there you have the Office clipboard, a quick way of having 24 items available in any given moment.